In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional form ready to drop into your site, and you'll understand the key settings that make it work smoothly. Start in the Wix Studio editor and look to the top left corner for the plus icon. This opens the Add panel, which is where you bring new elements into your project. From here, scroll or search for Contact and Forms. This section houses everything related to Forms, including templates and the Forms app itself. If you haven't enabled the Forms app yet, you'll see an option to add or enable it. Go ahead and do that once, and it will be available across your site. If you already have the Forms app enabled, choose Create New Form. This sends you to the form creation window, where you'll do all your setup before placing the form on a page. Inside the form builder, you'll see a canvas in the middle and a left pane with available fields and elements. This is where you start creating your registration form. Think about the information you truly need from visitors to register, typically first name, last name, email, and any specific details related to your offering. Keeping it concise helps improve completion rates. Add the form fields from the left pane by dragging them onto the canvas. You can rearrange them by dragging, and you can click any field to adjust its label, placeholder text, and validation. For example, ensure the email field is set to validate email format, and consider adding helper text if a field might be unclear. If you want to collect phone numbers, use the phone field so formatting stays consistent. Mark the important fields as required, so people can't submit without providing the essentials. This is especially helpful for email, since you'll likely use it for confirmations or follow-up. When you're happy with the layout and labels, click Save. Saving protects your work and lets you reuse the form later. A clear name, like registration form, makes it easy to find in your list of forms. Now go back to your site editor and add the form to your page. Open the Add panel again, go to Contact and Forms, and select the form you just created. Drag it onto your layout, position it where it fits best, and adjust spacing so it looks great on desktop and mobile. That's all. Your registration form is ready to use.